Okay, so hello everybody. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be talking about a revision for data sorting and merge sorting. Okay? So this is how we're gonna do it. First, all we have to do is this. First, we're gonna talk about data sorting. Uh, data sorting. And after that, we'll have to create a data frame. Okay? And in this data frame, we'll put the name like Alice, Bob, uh, Joe, Mama, uh, yeah, and little Timmy. Yeah, Timmy, done. Okay, now we gotta create age. So, how old are they and where do they live? So, age. So, Alice is like 67 years old. Bob is 67 years old. Joe Mom is 45 years old. And little Timmy is 89 years old, but he looks small. Now we're gonna create the city. Like, where do they live in? Okay. Toronto. Um, Ottawa. Ottawa. My bad. Um, yeah. And Delhi. And yeah, last one should be New York. Actually, no. Ohio. Okay, now we got just have to create the data frame. So df equals to pd dot data data frame uh, data done. Now if we print this, oh, it's data sorting. So what we're gonna do here is print data before sorting, right? And before sorting, I'll do slash n comma df. Okay. Now let's print that like a good boy. Okay. PD. Oh, my bad. I forgot to import pandas like a good boy. Okay, yeah, that's it. Yeah, so it's done, right? And this is, by the way, 0, 1, 2, 3. That's the index. Okay? Now, on to the next one is where we're actually going to start to store it. So df, yeah, 7 equals to df dot sort values, right? Age, comma, ascending, ascending equals to false. meaning that it's going to sort all these values. Because as you see right now, it's in raw, meaning it's not ordered. So we just print df67, and yeah, that's it. Should be on the console here. Yeah, it's right there. See, this is before this is before sorting, and this is after sorting. Because you see, now it's sorted. Before it was raw, unsorted. Now it's sorted, as you can see here. Now next is for merge sorting. So merge sorting is like, for example, if I have a list, let's say good boy, 6, 7. Okay, let me just erase that. Let's do it again. So let's say I have, oh, what the hell? No. Yeah, so let's say I have a list. 1, 2, or we can just say I have a data frame. So in this data frame, first I have ID. So ID. And an ID could be anything. So like your ID. So let's just put some random numbers. 1, 2, and 3, right? We're done with that. After that, we're gonna put, what should we? Yes, yes. After that, we're gonna put our names, because if we don't know the names, right? How are we supposed to know whose ID is that? So name can be anything. Just say A, B, and I'll use a text for this one. Good boy. Yeah, done. It's done. Okay, that's it. And then we have another list with the same thing. And then we merge both of them together, meaning both come together. Merging. That's what basically this whole topic is going to be about. Okay? And now, let's create that data frame. Data 1 equals to ID. ID, yeah, like I said, 1, 2, 3. And name equals to, name basically is good boy, good boy, Avner, little Timmy. I'll just say Timmy, that's better. And now, df1 equals to pd dot data frame data 1 done. Right? Now we make that for the same thing for data 2. All right? And we have to do it like a good boy, so it works. Okay. Change that. Bad boy. And little Timmy. Done. Okay? Now, we just merge it together. So pd dot merge. df1 and df2, comma, on. So it will just merge the ID, okay? Now when we print it, due to my calculations, if I do this like okay, it will work. Where should we do this? Yeah. Indeed, what is it? Oh, why is this capital? Now should work. Same thing here. Why are these letters capital when I didn't do it? Okay, now it should work. See? It works now, right? We're merging this basically. So this is the ID, right? And we're merging both of these names together, as you can see. So these are just variables, name X and name Y. But they can be anything, like name 1, name 2, anything, okay? But it's X and Y for now, okay? So, thank everyone for listening to my video, like a good boy. Feel free if you have any questions. I hope you like it.